Yes, sir. What's up, fam? Yeah, we back. We are back. I hope you're good. It's a new day to make some money. Yeah, good day to make some money. It's good, man. All right. So what do we have here? What do we have here? All right. So we can see the 4 hour is rejecting the zone. Right. 6 minutes to 4 hour closure. Do we have any news today? Any news today? Yeah, we do have the PMI at around 5. All right. You're welcome. Hey, man, if you're new, you're very much welcome. Yeah, welcome to Rap City Traders. Okay, yeah, I think we're gonna take a trade today, man. Let's wait for the 4 hour closure because we see 1 hour closure is closing really good. Yeah, so far so good. I mean, if it closes like this, yeah, we're gonna be targeting these zones over here. Yeah, yesterday I did take this trade. It was a good trade. And if you have not liked the stream, please click that like button. Let's see what today is gonna do. Hey, what's up, G? What's up? How you doing, man? How you doing, man? Yeah, wait for the 1 hour closure candle. You can see. All right, this our zone right here. How's everything, man? How's everything, man? How's your trading? How's yesterday's trade, man? Let's go. Hey, Babagan Nabu 99 from Nigeria, man. Welcome. Hey, man. I see Kina Kev. How you doing, man? Yeah, good day to make some money today, right? Yeah, it's welcome, man. Man, you're welcome, man. I missed you, man. Alright, so what I'm waiting for, you can see price is price is kind of rejecting this area. I mean, if it closes above this zone, right, and this 1 hour candle closes at least bullish, yeah, I think we're gonna be targeting this area. Alright, let me clean this up first. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna clean all these up. Alright, I mean, we do have some this zone over here. We're gonna be very keen on this zone. Alright, but overall, yeah, man, I'm targeting these areas over here. Alright, for those who are like looking for sales, anything below this zone, it will be a sell. Alright, but for now, yeah, it's a buy. Yeah, we're still on that challenge, turning $100 to $1,000. Currently we're up $162. I have not traded this account since we left. Alright, so let's see what today we're gonna do. Alright, so yeah, this is what I'm waiting for price to come and target these zones over here. Alright, these zones over here, you can see price has been reacting to this zone. So yeah, if this price gonna give us until this zone, it's gonna be something nice. Alright, alright, so 1 hour candle is closed, but has closed bearish. Alright, but you can see on the daily candle we are bearish. Alright, we are bearish, so this is gonna be like a counter trade. Alright, yeah, so therefore our candle has closed above our zones. Alright, closed above our zone. Yeah, so let's wait and see. Patient is the only key to get this trade, so let's wait on it. Yeah, so let's go chill at the 15 minutes candle. Wow, 15 minutes candle looks kind of juicy. Yeah, I mean, if you wanna take this trade, for me, I'll wait. If you wanna take this trade, is not that bad. It's a counter trade. You can take something like this. It stops below here. Yeah, and kind of target these zones over here. All right. That's who's taking that trade? Who is taking that trade? Who's taking this trade? Anyone? Who's taking that trade, bruh? Yeah, it's actually a really good trade though. So what I'm looking for, if it closes, this 15 minutes closes below this area, then I'm gonna take that trade. All right. So yeah, finna wait. Yo, remember to like the stream, guys. Remember to like the stream, man. Remember to like the stream. Yeah, I'll take this off you so that you don't get confused. Yeah, so what I'm waiting for price to close above these zones over here, then I'm gonna take a buy. All right, but whoever is taking this trade, yeah, wish you good luck. We don't have any news today. Let's see how many pips is that. Oops. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, it's gonna be a counter trade. Alright. It's a beautiful afternoon to make some money for sure. For sure, man. Yeah, this was a nice place to take the trade right here, down here. If I was on the chart, I could have taken this trade from right here. Right, from right here. You can see price was bearish, then we had like an engulfing candle over here. All right, so we did have this engulfing candle, and then some sort of order block over here. You can see price came, took these orders over here, and then in a shooting. Yeah, for me, I'm gonna wait. I want to see, because you can see price has been rejecting this zone. All right, so I'm gonna wait for price to break this area, close above, then take like a piece of whatever the price or whatever the market is gonna give us, or is gonna give me. Yeah, today we must take a trade. Yeah. So I'm thinking of doing a stream, starting a stream, doing the London session. All right. I mean, if we all get time, if I get some time. All right. Who's trading that pro form? Yeah, we're gonna do like a challenge on a pro form. I'm gonna let you know which pro form we're gonna use. All right. Because there are so many pro form out here. Some are good, some are like so bad. So yeah, we're gonna check which pro form we're gonna use. Then we're gonna trade and look to pass the challenge. Yeah, we're gonna start small, building our way up. Yeah, you can check on the pro form match. Yeah, we can see which pro form is good. All right. So yeah, this can be like a liquidity grab over here. All right. This can be like a liquidity grab over here, because you can see we have equal high. Let's say that, or lower high, whatever. All right. So this can be like a liquidity grab to go down. All right. So that's why I'm waiting for price to break this area and close just above this area. Then we take these buys. If not, it can be like a liquidity grab to go down. All right. Remember, we are on a downtrend. So whoever took this trade from down here, wow, it must be. Yeah, some good pips that there. Yeah, so yeah, again you can see on the 30 minutes candle. Yeah, yeah, we are waiting for price to just break and close just above this zone, then we take our buys. All right, targeting around this area over here. Let me just adjust it. Okay, yeah, wait for the candle to close. We don't need to be having FOMO. Yeah, right now we are way past that. We are way past that. – 15 minutes to candle closure. Right, let's see what is the dollar doing. Yeah, the dollar is flying, bro. You can see the dollar is on an uptrend. I mean, the dollar is just kind of ranging, right? It's just kind of ranging. Let's check out the NQ. Was the nothing yet. I mean, yeah, if you see the 4 candle, we kind of ranging 2 over here, right? So I'm looking for price to come and just this zone. We do have some imbalance over here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we might be targeting these zones over here. So we just wait. So it's rejecting that area. Let's see if it's gonna come to these zones over here. Yes, it has rejected this zone too. Yeah, so right now you must be knowing, as a trader, you need to know how to adjust with the market, with the price. All right. Now you see the guys who like took the short buy over there. Yeah. But for us, we wait for the market to give us the clear direction, then we execute. We don't just jump on any trade. We wait for the market to give us something, then we execute. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can see on a 15 minutes candle is kind of clear now. You can see price has been rejecting this area more 1 2 3 times. Okay, that means, and we do have some equal highs over here, so we might be coming for some liquidity to go down, because we are bearish for the day. You can see we is bearish for the day, kind of targeting these areas over here. So yeah, we wait for 8 minutes candle closure. Yeah, you need to know how to adjust with the market. All right, if you don't know how to adjust the market, then you have a problem. 6 minutes to candle closure. Yeah, we wait for it. Yeah, you can see what the market has been doing here. You can see this zone. Now we kind of targeting these zones. So yeah, we wait for the people who took these buys. I'm not gonna say. Wait, gold. Where you going, man? You gotta wait for us, bro. Gold wants to bleed without us again. Yeah, so we were just creating like a lower high over here. You can see we are lower high, lower low, lower high. Yeah, gonna go on this. Wait for the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close. Three minutes to candle closure. 15 minutes candle closure. Yeah, we're still waiting on it. One minute to candle closure. Yeah, 15 minutes looks kind of good. Yeah, we've already broken the this zone. All right, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Yeah, so let's wait. Yep, so I'm gonna wait for it over here. I'm gonna target these zones over here, and my stop loss will be just above. Yeah, targeting 1 to 2. So yeah, let's wait for it. Okay, let me. All right. So I've placed my orders. All right. So let's wait. Let's see if the price come and touch this zone, just to feel this imbalance, then for us to go down. All right. So something like this. All right. So that's what we're waiting on. Just be patient, wait for it. Yeah, I'm waiting for price to come here because I'm looking for price where my stop loss is, because if you say you go to 30 minutes, you enter from somewhere here, look at all these stop loss. Where you gonna put your stop loss? Automatically you're gonna put your stop loss over here, right? So we go down to 15 minutes to find where we can manage our risk well. And where do we manage our risk well? We wait for price to come here, and then our stop loss are just right on top. All right, so our main aim is just to manage our capital, not just doing whatever. All right, so yeah, we wait for it. That's why I'm waiting for price. So in case price just go up, I'm gonna be managing my risk. All right, instead of losing a whole $100, I'm gonna be losing at least $25 to $30. I mean, that's a pretty good deal when I'm managing the risk, right? All right, so my main aim is to manage this $100 account. All right, I want to manage it, to scale it. All right, I'm not here to I don't want to blow this account yet. All right, so far we've been doing really good, so yeah, we don't want to do some crazy things over here. All right, I'm trying to be in this game for a while, not just blowing all the accounts. So yeah, we want to manage this account really well, so that we can at least scale this account for $1,000. That's what we want. So on the 30 minutes, the stop loss is gonna be way too far, right? And this account is not that big, right? The account is not that big, so we need to manage this account, and that's what I'm doing. I mean, if it's going, let it go, right? I'm not gonna chase that trade. I'm not gonna chase a trade. We're gonna go with our plan, like we always do. Like we always do. Yeah, because we do have a plan, and my plan is to follow the plan. All right. So that's what they say. Plan your trade and trade your plan. It's easy. And that's what we're doing, man. We're gonna trade our plan. What do you think? Mnaona aje? True. Yeah, we did have an engulfing candle. Like you can see, we did draw our resistance over here, our support. All right. So our plan is we want a price to reject this zone to come and test this zone, right? So yeah, you can see price rejecting this zone, once, twice, and thrice. All right, and that's what we're waiting for. So price gave us an engulfing candle, close below this below this zone. Then after closing this zone, we're waiting for price to come and just fill this imbalance over here, go down. That's our plan. Simple, right? We're waiting for 3 minutes candle closure, right? Yeah, so yeah, we kind of look to be going down. Yeah, so I'm not willing to take this trade from here because I want to manage the risk. All right, my stop loss, if I take this trade from here, my stop loss will be way up here. All right, and I'm not willing to risk all that money. All right, I just want to risk like $30 in this trade, all right, to make around $70 to $80 or maybe $100. All right. Oh, gold is bleeding. Oh, the 930 candle may bleed mbaya. si ilikuwa kidogo tu tuchukue, but yeah, imekataa. How many pips was remaining? Just like four pips, man. Just ikakataa. Kuna mtu amechukua hiyo trade kweli? Nani amechukua trade? Nani amechukua hiyo trade? Yeah, from around here. Now, most of you will be asking why I did not take this trade. I did not take this trade because I was looking at where I'll be putting my stop loss. All right. The only place I could have put my stop loss was up here. All right, and this so big. All right, for my literal account, this is so big. That's why it's just a trade. All right, so we went on 15 minutes. All right, we wanted to manage our trade. That's what we did. So nikakuja hapa down, my stop loss hapa juu, just some pips. All right, that's like 8 pips or something. All right, price ilikuwa inakuja kidogo tuchukue, haikutuchukua, and then ika bleed. All right, yeah, so it has been good. I've managed my account. That is the main aim ni kumanage account yako. Right. Managing your account. Don't just put your account out there, right? Because you're gonna get wiped out. For those what wanajua gold inaweza kuwipe out like clean. Yeah, so we're still gonna wait for the 30 minutes closure if we're gonna take it from here. All right, let's check on the 15 minutes candle. All right, so since imebonda, all right, imebonda, now tutafanya, you can see price ime break our support, sindio? So since ime break our support, we're waiting for break and retest. So nangoja ikuje retest. All right, and the retest nangoja hapa price ikuje fill this zone, then we go down. All right, because imefunga below our support area, our support zone. So we wait for the 30 minutes candle to close, just close around this zone below our support. Yeah, we're gonna take this trade. All right, because clearly we are on a down trade. Now price ikifunga just below this support, tutakwenda chini. All right, tutakuwa na target yeah, for me naweza kuwa na target this zone over here. All right, or this zone over here. All right, so yeah, hiyo ndio kitu tunangoja. All right, target yetu as for now itakuwa this zone over here. All right, this zone ndio itakuwa target yetu. Yeah, this zone. So this will be our target. 9 minutes to candle closure. Bado tunangoja. So 30 minutes candle close below this area, or the 1 hour candle close below this zone. All right, let me adjust this area over here just a little bit. Yeah, so tunangoja price ifunge because already sha break. Tunangoja close just below this zone. By closing this zone, I mean the body. This is the wick, the body to close below this zone. If we close it below this zone, then it's gonna be a clear sell. All right, so far so good. So yeah, we have a plan, and that's what we are. Our initial plan fail, right? Our initial plan fail. Tulikuwa taka price ikuje ifill this zone over here on the 15 minutes, but ikakataa. All right, but we still have a chance on the 1 hour candle. Kama 1 hour candle ikifunga below hii support yetu, all right, 1 hour candle ikifunga below hii support yetu, then we're gonna take a trade to around this zone over here. All right. Alright, so yeah, we just wait. Tunangoja for 7 minutes candle close. Alright, 7 minutes candle close. I mean, nani amechukua trade? Who was taking the trade? Who was taking the trade? Yeah, so nangoja if 6 minutes to candle close, 1 hour closure ifunge below this area with the body. All right, then we're gonna take our sales to around this zone. Just wait on it. Yeah, so 4 minutes candle ifunge, right? So tunangoja candle ikuje ifunge below this 4440 zone. Ikifunga below easy area tutachukua hiyo sell, but ikikataa then we gonna still wait for whatever is gonna do. Hey, Khan, niaje bro? Hope you good. What did you miss? Nothing major. Tulikuwa tunangoja price on the 15 minutes on this trade, alright? On this sale tunangoja price ikuje on this ichukue. Our initial plan ilikuwa tulikuwa tumeka our sell orders over here, alright? So price ikuje, price went, ilikuwa kidogo ituchukue then ilikataa. So our new plan is tungoja on the 1 hour candle, 3 minutes closure, price tufunga below this area and then tuchukue the sales. Alright, but so far we are clearly on the sales. Alright, so yeah, let's wait on it. That's what you missed. So, I can't say you missed because hatujachukua bado trade. Hatuwezi sema if we miss anything because we've not taken any trade yet. Alright, so 2 minutes to candle closure and then we must lazima tuchukue trade. Alright, so yeah, let's wait on the price. Seconds to candle closure. Lazima tukue patient, man. We need to be very patient, okay? Alright, so 1 hour candle ime close na ija close below this zone, alright, but we are still bearish. Alright, yeah, so alright, when tukienda down kwa 5 minutes na you see ungekuwa umeshachukua hii. That's why we are waiting for price to close below this zone. Alright, so wacha tuache the 1 hour candle ichukue ine tafute week, then we take on the, or on the 5 minutes tungoje 5 minutes itupatie rejection ifunge below this zone, then tuchukue our stop loss itakuwa just above the zone. Alright, so hiyo ndio kitu tunangoja saa hizi. Alright, so yeah, let's chill on the 5 minutes. Tungoje 5 minutes ifunge bearish. Ikifunga bearish, then on the next candle we're gonna go down, because you can see 1 hour ienda kutafuta week. Alright, already shut after week. So yeah, we're gonna come and fill this zone. Alright, so I'm gonna wait on the 5 minutes candle. Tungoje ifunge bearish. Ikifunga bearish, then on the next candle tutago down, tutenda nayo until this zone. Sawa, tutenda nayo until somewhere this zone, because I was looking for somewhere to place my stop loss. Sawa, so yeah, so far I think tumepata place kuweka stop loss. If this 5 minutes candle ikifunga bearish, alright, if this 5 minutes candle ikifunga bearish, then we're gonna take that trade, our stop loss just above the previous high. Alright, so tungoje. So tunangoja, tulikuwa na this push. Right? This push over here, super nice. News, tutakuwa na news around 5. It's 5, right? Waiting for this news, PMI. Alright, not like something big, so like high impact news, but it's something. Yeah, so we're gonna chill on the 5 minutes. Yeah, so if 5 minutes candle ikifunga bearish, then we're gonna be good to go down. Now ukiangalia we're gonna some clear traffic over here, right? So yeah, let's just wait on it. Yeah, I mean the challenge inaendelea vizuri, turning at $100 to $1,000. That's the challenge. Yeah, tulieka $100 in this account. You can see down here. Alright, you can see down here. So kama mnaona account yetu ilikuwa $100 to make $62. I mean we did make around 17, then we took a loss, then we took another win. So far 2 wins, 1 loss. All right, so yeah, this is our current balance right now. Yeah, we still wait. Yeah, now 5 minutes candle imefunga bearish, but not what you're waiting for, not what you are looking for. Alright, not what we're looking for. So bado tutakuwa patient for it. Tutakuwa bado patient, we still wait. Alright. Yeah, if this 15 minutes candle 2 ikifunga bearish tena, the next candle we're gonna drive down. So yeah, the main aim the main aim is to preserve the capital, okay? To preserve it though. Ataki could take many losses. We wanna take W's. We wanna wins, right? So yeah, we still wait. Yeah, I like for this candle to come and close below this zone. Ikifunga below this zone is gonna be like a really good, really good, right? Yeah. So if it goes up, I'm not looking for any buys for now. The only way utakuwa unaangalia buy is that as if it may break this zone na imefunga above this resistance, okay? So yeah, we still wait on it. So if 15 minutes candle it close below and it close bearish and below this zone, it's going to be a really good trade, an A+ setup actually. All right? So yeah, ngoje. DXY dollar. Let's check the dollar. Yeah, dollar in a target this zone, right? Yeah, dollar iko overly bullish. Dollar iko bullish, right? Shit. Dollar imekuwa kipanda manze from this zone, yeah. Yeah, but we bado tuko on this consolidating zone, all right? But tuna range on this area, okay? So yeah, the high probability ni this the probability ni the dollar is gonna, right? Ukiangalia the previous the left side imekuwa ina tap this area, ina go down, ina come, ina tap, inaenda chini, ina tap, inaenda chini, ina tap, inaenda chini, more than 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the 4 candle, right? Ukiangalia imekuwa ina reject this zone. So what is the probability to reject the zone again? So high. So yeah, I'm waiting for this inangoja tu reject to tuteremke then hii area tena. Alright, so nangoja price again tena I tap this zone tuteremke chini though. So that's the probability. It's not that it's gonna happen like that, but the probability is still high because ukiangalia on the left side imeko kidu the same thing. 1 2 down more than 4 times. Yeah, so and then Nasdaq inataka kuteremka. but you can see in Nasdaq we are overly bullish on the Nasdaq. Tuko overly bullish on the Nasdaq, so yeah. Siwezi kuwa nachukua hii trade on the Nasdaq. I'm not gonna take any sell on the Nasdaq. The only thing I'm gonna take is nothing but the buys. Now the buys on the Nasdaq, the only way utachukua, let me clean this. Let me clean this first. Let me clean this. So on the Nasdaq ukiangalia, for those who are waiting on the Nasdaq, all right. So on the Nasdaq, the only way unachukua hii trade is that as if price ikifunga above this zone. Ikifunga above this zone, then we're gonna take the buys. All right. No time for taking a sell right now. This is gonna chukua no sell right now. Right now, so it's gonna chukua your sell. So yeah, anything above, I'm gonna take. All right. Anything above, I'm gonna take. Anything above. Yeah, on the daily to go bearish, but nah. Now, another thing, kama Nasdaq ikiamua kuja, then ikiamua kusell, then ita sell ikuje until this zone kutafuta just like a high low, high. Yeah, just come and retest this zone on the. All right, let me draw that zone. All right. This zone right here. Right, you can just retest this zone for a buy, yeah. But so far, nah. Now you can see imekuja direct to multiple tumeweka our previous sales zone. Tuko tumeweka our sales zone over this area. Now I'm not saying it's valid size, right? Size is still that valid kwa sababu tulishateremka, all right? Kwa sababu we already went down, so this not valid right now. So yeah, still gonna wait on it. Yeah, just to move on this ranging zone. This a Norman Island zone. Ama tunasema Israimo territory. Israimo territory. Not a good area right now. Yeah, so the best area is below this zone. So yeah, we still wait. Yeah, either this zone for sell or this zone for buy. That's the only way right now you're gonna take a trade. All right, so I'm gonna wait for price to break, retest, then we go. All right, that's the only way you can take a buy. For a sell, all right, for sell, the same thing, break, retest, then bang. That's what we're waiting for. Yeah, you can see imekuja right hadi kwa nini yetu or previous sell zone. I'm not gonna take that trade, bro. Start to trade. Yeah. Yeah, so 15 minutes candle inafanya very good job. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for. So you can see our previous sell zone ilikuja ikakuwa tapped. You can see ilikuwa tapped. All right, so we were not that bad, hatukuwa mbaya, but still yeah, we're gonna wait for the 8 minutes candle for the 15 minutes candle, 8 minutes to go. Ikifunga bearish, then we're gonna take on the next candle. Yeah, so nothing yet. Still waiting for price to come and break this zone and close below this area and tuchukue your sales. All right, so tumerudi back to that zone yenye tulikuwa tunataka. This rejection was massive rejection, man. So we still wait, bado nangoja this 30 minutes candle ifunge below, then we take that sell. But so far we wait.
I need some money to go shopping.
Well, I suggest you get a job.
Yeah, bado tuna exercise the patience. All right, you gotta be very, very patient. We have to be patient, man. All right. Yeah. So yeah, if this 30 minutes candle come, if we get bearish, yeah, the next trade we're gonna take the next trade. Let's say, yeah, you can see 1 hour candle wants to flip bearish. Yeah, so yeah, we wait. Yeah, so far no volume yet, so yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Let's say it's W for the day. It's a W for the day. We did manage our risk really well. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. Let's meet tomorrow, same place, same time. All right, and yeah, manage your risk really well, guys. So don't expose your account. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna export my. I'm not gonna expose my account. All right, so yeah, W for the day. Good risk management. Yeah, let's say tomorrow. All right, yeah, so have a good one, guys. All right, peace out.